Alright, we got a trade recap. I took a trade and I won the trade. I got stopped in profit, and I'll go over this real quick, okay? The first thing I actually want to just notice here, oh my god, this is beautiful. We're finally rebalancing. Holy shit, if you go to the daily, bro, we've been at all-time highs for a minute now. We're finally rebalancing, bro. I'm just glad we're not at all-time highs anymore, so that's a good thing. Potential for better price action, but like I say, there's no expectations. Price could still suck because it's December. It's the month before the new year, so price could still just be ass, okay? Anyway, this is the hourly chart, okay? Coming into the day, I see London lows here, and then Asia lows, and this 4-hour sell side here. Same thing on NQ, pretty much. Gosh, same thing on NQ. We edged the fuck out of this 4-hour low, but we did sweep Asia lows. This is just 1 hour sell side here. So if we go to the 5-minute chart, I'll just show you guys what NQ looked like. So once we swept this, hourly low, Asia low, this is pre-market, but what happens? We come up above the liquidity sweep. So this is the bull structure I look for, and then we get a solid 5-minute retracement back down. After that, at this point, once we had this, we had bull structure, and then this 5-minute retracement. I was thinking that price is probably going to want to take out the 4-hour lows, but I was also content no if they didn't, because I still had this hourly low to play off of. And so after we get that retrace, we push up, we give another retracement right here, and then on the 1-minute right here, we broke structure to the upside, then created an imbalance that we filled, and then from here I was also looking at ES, just trying to see what ES was doing. ES was very similar, right, except on the 5-minute chart ES didn't look as clean because where is it? So because the bull structure we never came back above the liquidity sweep before giving this 5-minute retracement, but NQ did come above the liquidity sweep before giving the retracement. Therefore, I was a little more confident in NQ, but something to notice here. So ES, right, we break structure better. This is a way better market structure shift than NQ's. NQ didn't break structure above, oh my gosh, NQ never broke above these highs up here. We just broke above these, not above these. But ES broke above these external highs here, or they're internal, but whatever. And then we come down and we fill this 1 minute right here, and we displace out of it. Very hesitant to take the trade. I was looking at ES and I was like thinking about it, and then I was like, you know what? I'm more confident in NQ just because of the 5-minute confluences that I got. But boys, this is annoying here because I took the trade on NQ. We were chopping at this imbalance here for a bit, right? We weren't giving any clear candle body closes above the imbalance, but once we actually had a full candle close above the imbalance without like a wick up here, like this right here, I entered off that candle, stops just below the candle wick that created the imbalance, so right here, and then take profit would be just this 15-minute high, okay? And it's very, very unfortunate what happened, right? ES took the high. ES literally was perfect. ES, I wouldn't have even been a drawdown. I would have probably had a crazy, I mean, I don't care about the money, but it's a 3.7R, and I'm risking 1%, so you can do the math, okay? So, like, yeah, it would have been a crazy day. But it wasn't, because I took it on NQ. That was my mistake. The one thing I learned today. So, the reason I should have taken on ES is, for one, we broke structure above these highs up here, which NQ failed to do here. We broke above these highs, just not these. Another thing is that NQ, we tapped into this 1-minute imbalance, and then we're chopping around at it. But ES tapped into the imbalance, and then immediately displaced out of it, giving clear confirmation to the upside, which is just overall better. So probably should have taken it on ES. The only thing that was just, like I said, giving me more confidence for NQ is the 5-minute structure, because we came above the liquidity sweep and then gave a retrace. But if NQ did that, ES doesn't really need to technically, because ES kind of follows NQ. So that's just the one thing I noted. But anyway, once ES took out the high, so once ES took out the high before NQ, I moved stops and profit around right I moved it like right here, or no, a little higher. But anyway, as you can see, that was the right move because we ended up shitting the bed later on during FOMC. So I think I'm up around like, what is it? Point like 3% or something. So whatever, like 150. So you can do that. I don't even know. But yeah, solid day. Learned a little something that could help me with my trading. Is just like whichever index is giving better displacement out of the fair value gap, I take the trade off of, because I always take a trade off of a fair value gap no matter what on the 1 minute. So whichever is giving better structure off of it, I'll take it. If of course, if they're both pretty aligned well. Anyway, also we have this perfect PO3 setup as well, right? Accumulation, big manipulation, distribution. This is literally A++. But yeah, the setup on anyways, like even though NQ didn't hit full take profit, it was an A+ setup. Couldn't ask for much anything better. Yeah, I mean this week hasn't been bad. I've gotten 2 A+ trades, so can't complain, right? So that's the full recap. I want to say something else. Oh yeah, recently I used to not consider pre-market liquidity sweeps as anything, but I've come to the realization that if we're sweeping a low pre-market, all right, I'll just go over it. Yes, if we're sweeping a low and it's like pre-market, like let's say 9 a.m. Obviously, okay, I wait for market open, okay, but what will happen is, well, before market opens, we're probably most likely not going to move, like not give much volume because we're kind of waiting for market open. And then once market opens, we'll push towards the drawn liquidity. So I just wait for market open, and then if I can get the right confluences to the upside off of a pre-market liquidity sweep, if you really want to call it that, then I'll take the trade. I don't think a pre-market liquidity sweep should bound your rules. I don't think you should have that in your rules. I mean, if it works for you, okay, good for you. I mean, I'm not hating on you. It's just something I've learned. But yeah, PO3, even PO4, bro. My confluence has been playing out. Accumulation, manipulation, D1, reaccumulation to D2, right? But I don't really care about that stuff too much. It's just a extra confluence. But I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm still red on the week because I lost 1% yesterday, and I won 0.3% today because I got stopped in profit, didn't hit full take profit. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.